Drift. Frederick Oswald goes in and initiates James Z. He's in touch. He's ready for the James. Shakes it up. This is the James we have not seen. Hey, round of applause.
Was very close to having, and then nice and close on inside clip number 3 just before the finish line. So watch as he comes up the hill, right on that rumble strip, looking good there. Big handbrake pull, missing outside zone number 2, missing inside clip number 2. Coming down the hill, let's look at his front bumper positioning. Gets right over the rumble strip, so nice job there, and pretty close to inside clip number 3, but doesn't finish all the way wide.
Here for the first battle of the Great 8, the Link ECU Great 8. Chelsea Denofa comes out swinging, literally. Oh, some sparks go flying already. Chelsea Denofa, Von Gittin Jr. right there. We got twin RTRs on track. Transitioning through the jump. Nice job by both these guys. These guys are getting a lot of seat time. Look at this. RTR ready to rock. Make some noise. Here we go. Lindsey Ross, I know you're watching. Who you're cheering for? That's the question, though. RTR. It's an all RTR battle for Von Gittin Jr. Chelsea Denofa Ford Performance. Dropping in, coming in hot, throwing sparks. Oh, Chelsea comes in. Comes out swinging. Woo! Doctor, are you kidding me? Look at this. To the moon. Yeah! Boom goes the bumpers.